Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in MEXC Global. For that, you need to launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And after that, you will be redirect on this overview page. Now over here, you are going to see this deposit button. So you need to tap on deposit, and then you will be redirect on the next page where you are going to a bunch of different cryptos that you can deposit in your MEXC Global. Let's say for this video, I want to add USDT. So you will have to tap on USDT option, and then it will ask you to select the network. So you can choose any of the network as you want. But for this video, I am going to use BNB Smart Chain or BEP20. As it has a very less fees, then it will ask you to tap to generate. So you will have to click on this option, and then you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the deposit address from here, and after that you just have to choose any other exchanges or any other wallet in which you are going to deposit your money from MEXC Global. After that, in that exchange or wallet, you just have to initiate your transfer, and this way you will be able to easily deposit your money in MEXC Global. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.